Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla. Now, the Right Honorable Edward Philip George Seaga, Jamaica's 5th Prime Minister and longest Member of Parliament, passed away today in a hospital in the United States of America, Miami, Florida. You see, Mr. Edward Seaga served as a Member of Parliament for 43 years from 1962, retired at 2005, has been the leader of JLP, which is the Jamaica Labour Party, for 31 years, with today being the 28th of May. Know that Mr. Edward Seaga passed away at the age of 89. He was born on the 28th of May, 1930 in Boston, Massachusetts, United States of America. You see, he will be remembered for many great things that he have done throughout Jamaica. Even more so, an election that took place in 1980 when he was victorious against the People's National Party by a landslide. And at the time, the leader of the People's National Party was Michael Manley. He was Prime Minister then for 9 years. You see? Alright? So my condolences to the friends, the families, the loved one of a great leader of Jamaica. And I wish all the best for the families and the friends of the loved one during their time of grief. You see me? But anyways, you don't know the thing already. I always bring to you what really are going within around the world, you know, especially of Jamaica and so forth, and keep on up to date and posted, especially what happened on social media. As always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself.